This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, Alex Casey's Italian sausage soup. There it is! Now, stick around to the end of the video this time. Big announcement coming. For some people, fall is pumpkin spice season. While I don't hate pumpkin spice, it's not what I live for when the leaves change color, drop, and crunch as we purposely walk through them. What I love most in the autumn season is that it's finally sweater weather and soup season. Oh, lordy, I love me some soup season. I have so many recipes I love, and this is the newest to be added to my repertoire. Thanks to my customer who sent this to me. We love it in Mama Misha's Magic Kitchen. 10 out of 10. You've inspired our next contest. Watch the rest of this video and visit our website for details. According to Alex, a quote in her own words, "Twice stolen spice for Mama Misha's Magic Kitchen is the best." Well, Mama Mish makes your kitchen magic. Okay.
So one of our favorite customers sent in this recipe, and as promised, we have a big announcement to make. She inspired us. That's right. Alex Casey sent in this amazing looking Italian sausage soup that she makes with Mama Misha's Magic Kitchen, Twice Stolen Spice. So we're going to have a contest. Send in your recipe, and if you would use any of our spices in it, you might have a chance to win. Let's dig in. Oh, Alex, this is good. Oh, yeah. You know what I always say. Let's eat. Okay.